Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to select a rectangular marquee tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay, see this selection rectangular marquee tool or shortcut key press M and see this select rectangular marquee tool, multiple select, remove selection, one selection. That's it. And again see this right click rectangle tool, press shortcut key U on your keyboard and see this select rectangular marquee tool. Shape, path, pixels. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.